Hi, I'm Ashley Placanico, and here's my introduction video so you can learn more about me. I'm from Palmer, Massachusetts, and I commute to Westfield State. It's about a 35-minute drive for me. I have four brothers, and I'm the youngest sibling and only daughter. I love to hang out with friends and family. I have a dog named Sadie. My favorite food is either pasta or pizza, and I love to travel. My time at Westfield State. I am a first-year student, so I've only been studying at WSU for one semester. I have enjoyed my time here so far, and I like the atmosphere WSU has to offer. I also love meeting all new friends, and I love the professors. I major in health science, and I might pick up a minor in biology. My experience in healthcare so far. Some experience I have in healthcare is working as a DSP, which is a direct support professional, and I work in a group home for a company called Venture Community Services. I've been working here for about 2 years, and I love this job because I can care for people who can't do it themselves. I just recently became MAP certified, which is exciting because I'll have experience giving medications which will eventually help me in my future job. I also have my CPR and safety care certifications. Over the next summer, I hope to get my CNA license or EMT license and start working as either of those so I can get more hands-on experience in healthcare. Here's some of my goals after graduating from Westfield State. I hope to be accepted into the PA program because that is what I aspire to do when I am older. I would love to go to the PA program here at Westfield State, or I would also love to go to either Bay Path University or Springfield College. My goals in PA school is to graduate with all A's and some B's. I also hope to work in the emergency department or pediatrics. I will always continue to learn and educate myself, even if I get the job I've always wanted, because continuing to learn in healthcare is something you need to do. I was motivated to enroll in this medical ethics course because it's a requirement for my major, and it also takes me one step closer to graduating and being accepted into PA school. I was also very interested in what this course has to offer, and I am excited to learn everything I can from this course. I don't have much experience with medical ethics, but I am very eager to learn more to use in my future of healthcare. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed learning about me.